26th Cultural Week was celebrated at male and female campuses of IIUI, Islamabad, Pakistan. Major activities included sports gala, cultural stalls for male and female students, cultural night, and poetry night. At the inaugural ceremony, His Excellency Sardar Mohammad Yusuf, the Federal Minister for Religious Affairs and Interfaith Harmony, participated as the chief guest. The ceremony was also attended by the ambassadors and high commissioners of various countries including Iraq, Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, Bosnia, Nepal, Indonesia, Palestine, Kenya, Nigeria, Malaysia, and many other countries. National Anthem of Islamic Republic of Pakistan was also played at this occasion. These celebrations started with the recitation from the Holy Quran.
It is my great pleasure and honor to welcome you all to the 26th Cultural Week of International Islamic University Islamabad. And celebrating its 26th Cultural Week, International Islamic University has reached a unique milestone in establishing a tradition that culture is not merely a display of music or dance, but it is much more than that.
The President IIUI Ahmed Yusuf Al-Darwish formally inaugurated these celebrations.
Respected audience, this cultural week represents the second part where the young lads and students take part in co-curricular activities, exhibiting their activities, talents, creativities, abilities and strength. Recently, we had a precious event which brought to us two joys. Joy of 9th convocation, in which 8,500 male and female students were awarded degrees in various fields. The second joy is conferring the honorary PhD degree in the field of politics and international relations to an Islamic international, political and humanitarian personality, the custodian of the two holy mosques, King Abdullah bin Abdul Aziz, the King of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
The chief guest, His Excellency Sardar Mohammad Yusuf, the Federal Minister for Religious Affairs and Interfaith Harmony, addressed the audience.
Allah Ta'ala ने लोगों को मुख्तलिफ ग्रोह में तकसीम किया ताकि उनकी पहचान हो सके, उनको मुख्तलिफ इलाकों में आबाद किया ताकि दुनिया भी आबाद हो सके। हर इलाके की बूदोबाश दूसरे इलाके से मुख्तलिफ होती है और यही तफरीक कल्चर कहलाती है। इस 26th कल्चर वीक का मकसद भी यही है कि इस जामे में पढ़ने वाले तलबा एक दूसरे के कल्चर से रुशनास हो सकें।
The opening ceremony was attended by a large number of students. National and international cultural dresses were displayed by the students of the university. The rector, IIUI, Dr. Masoom Yasin Zai, expressed his views at this occasion.
International Islamic University in the last, I must say, couple of years has practically become sister university of Imam Muhammad University in Riyadh. News that I would like to share with you is the university is enhancing its scope of internationalization. As was said by the President in his remarks, in his speech over here, in the last 1 year, he has visited many countries and penned down MOUs with many institutions to further internationalize this university.
Also, Mr. Rushdie Alani, the Honorable Ambassador of Iraq in Pakistan, shared his views with the audience. Shields were presented to the distinguished guests. The President IAUI, Dr. Ahmed Yusuf Al Darwish, inaugurated the cultural stalls displayed by the students of the university and showed his keen interest in various cultures. Another important part of these 26 Cultural Week celebrations was the Sports Gala, in which students and employees of the university actively participated. Another worth-seeing event of this 26 Cultural Week celebrations was cultural stalls at the female campus of IAUI, which was also inaugurated by the worthy President of IAUI, Dr. Ahmed Yusuf Al Darwish. The Ministers of State for National Health Services, Regulations and Coordination, Saira Afzal Tarar, participated as a chief guest. These stalls displayed the cultures of Pakistan and many other parts of the world. The President showed his interest in these stalls and also enjoyed their traditional dishes. Students from Indonesia, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Afghanistan and Pakistan showed their talents through dramas and songs at the Cultural Night, which is an integral part of these celebrations.
कैंपस से लड़का गुजरे क्या मजाल है, वो वागा बॉर्डर है कोई शार आम नहीं। तुम्हें यूनिवर्सिटी छोड़ जानी पड़ेगी, तुम्हें यूनिवर्सिटी छोड़ जानी पड़ेगी। आई आ कर तो देखो।
वतन 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 दा दलो अफगान वतन दा पमंग ग्रान वतन खौरत गैरत ज़िलज़िले लरी तूफान लरी गुरनों की बाज़ान लरी
हमें नई नस्ल हम बनाएंगे,
हम बनाएंगे नया पाकिस्तान का, हम पाकिस्तान को नया पाकिस्तान बना के छोड़ेंगे।
कादिर पंजी कुदरत सी कायम है कदीम, वाली वाहिद वहदहू राज़िक रब रहीम। सो सारा सचो धनी चई हमद हकीम, करे पाण करीम जोड़ू जोड़ जहान जूं। नुशवत वर नौकरिए मिष्ट मुशे खा के सर है, इंड फरे पाट फरे दए करे, फुये बले दर पदरे पेंड चरे।
सलातुल्लाह सलामुल्लाह।
आजादी कुर्बानी बाहों में मिलती है आजादी।
सरायकी लोग, मिठी जुबान दे लोग, मुहब्बतां करन वाले लोग, पाकिस्तान दे विच अमन फैलावन वाले लोग।
Poetry Night was attended by the students of IAUI and prominent national poets. Individual styles of these poets made this night memorable.
निगाहे फ़क्र में शाने सिकंदरी क्या है।
I dedicate this night to the peace of this region.
Fireworks was also appreciated by the audience.
Pakistan, 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 Pakistan. बिछड़े हुओं को एक मरकज़ पे